Most people get this wrong. They assume all online banks are the same. But the surprising truth is that Pepper Bank offers fast, low-cost digital banking with a focus on convenience and instant payments. Today, I'll give you my honest review. Pepper Bank is a fully online financial service that allows users to open accounts, make transfers, pay bills, and manage funds directly from an app. You won't believe what happens next. Even international payments are faster than traditional banks, and you can track all transactions in real time. The app interface is simple, making it easy to manage multiple accounts and cards from one place. One of the standout features is the Pepper card, which can be used for online and in-store purchases, and even allows you to receive payments quickly. Pepper also supports peer-to-peer transfers with minimal fees, making it great for everyday use for small businesses. However, there are some limitations. Pepper Bank primarily operates digitally, so cash deposits can be tricky and require external methods. Some advanced banking services, like loans or investment products, are limited compared to traditional banks. Customer support is mostly app-based, so if you prefer in-person assistance, this could be a drawback. The surprising truth is that Pepper Bank is best for people comfortable with online banking who value speed, low fees, and ease of use over traditional branch services. It's ideal for digital-savvy users, freelancers, and small business owners. In conclusion, Pepper Bank provides a convenient and cost-effective online banking experience with fast payments and a simple app interface. If you're looking for a digital-first banking solution, Pepper is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest online bank reviews to help you choose the right digital banking solution for your needs.